Hello everyone, my name is Calvin Fernando. My Unity ID is CFERNAN3. Today I'll be demonstrating the configuration management continuous deployment by executing an Ansible playbook. This Ansible playbook consists of the following task. It installs Node.js installs forever, will clone a Git repository and will install npm packages on a remote target called Node0. Secondly, it will turn on the Express server on the Node0 by running the command forever start node main.js on port 3000, and it will do security checks to ensure bash, OpenSSL, OpenSSH client and server are running latest version. Lastly, it will clean up and remove all the files within the temporary directory of the target Node0. This is the environment of which I'll be using for this demonstration. So I have a configuration manager with 192.168.33.10 IP address assigned to it. So it's basically a Vagrant virtual machine that has Ubuntu Trusting 14.04 operating system. It has already Ansible that is installed in it, and configuration.yaml is the Ansible playbook that I'll be using in order to kind of install all the packages and turn on the Express server on my Node0, which has the IP address 192.168.33.100. It is also a Vagrant virtual machine with an operating system Ubuntu Trusting 14.04. Once the Express server is turned on, after the configuration of the YAML playbook has been executed successfully, the Express server listens on port 3000, and when I try to access Node0's IP and followed by the port number, I should observe appropriate message that is hello from followed by a random integer on my web browser. So now let's get started. So this is my configuration manager, which has the necessary playbook, Ansible playbook. So as you can see, this can be verified by typing ifconfig, and this is the IP address 192.168.33.10. Similarly, uh, this is my target Node0. This can be verified by typing ifconfig, and this is the IP address 192.168.33.100. Now, one of the tasks in the Ansible playbook is to kind of clear the temporary directory on my target Node0. So I've created a dummy file test.txt, and once the playbook in my configuration manager has been executed successfully, and when I run ls on my target Node0, this file should disappear. Similarly, when I actually do node -v to check the version of the Node.js that has been installed, you can see that I get an error stating there's no program that has been node program that has been installed yet. So let us try to install all these packages by running ansible playbook -i inventory file, and then configuration.yaml is my playbook. I'll click on enter, and the playbook starts executing. So the first task is to actually try to connect and do an SSH to my Node0. Second, it will do an apt-get update on my Node0. So the execution of this playbook will take some time. So let me go ahead and pause this video and continue once the configuration of the YAML playbook has been executed successfully. So the configuration of the YAML Ansible playbook has been executed successfully. As you can see that there's no errors out here. There's errors. The number of failed in task is 0. So let me run through what are the tasks that has been done. Firstly, it will try to SSH into my target node. Then it will do an apt-get update followed by installing all the packages. Uh, Firstly, for Node.js, it will do a call to a repository, and then it will kind of install all the packages followed by installing forever module, and will clone the repository, will run npm install. Then it will run forever node main.js on forever start node main.js on port 3000. Then it will do security checks, and then it will kind of clear the temporary directory. So now let me verify whether the temporary directory has been cleared or not. So let me type ls again. As you can see, earlier we had test.txt. Let me type ls. Okay, so the temporary directory is currently empty. Similarly, let me do node -v to check the version of the Node.js that has been installed. As you can see, it's 6.12.0. So lastly, let me try to access the Express server running on Node 0. For that, let me type the IP address of Node 0 followed by the port 3000. As you can see, I get appropriate message followed by random integer out here. Again, when I go to my Node 0 and I type forever list, okay, I have to come out. Let me type it here, forever list. Okay, as you can see that I have the forever task is executed successfully. So this kind of completes the demonstration. Thank you for watching.